Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a downloaded WordPress theme. First, ensure your theme is a zip file from a reliable source. Log into your WordPress dashboard and find the Appearance menu. Click Themes, then Add New, and select Upload Theme. Choose your theme's zip file from your computer and click Install Now. This process typically takes less than 1 minute, preparing your site for its new look. Once installed, you'll see an Activate button. Click it to make your new theme live on your website. Next, navigate to Appearance and select Customize. Here, you can adjust various aspects like your site's title, colors, and fonts. Experiment with the layout options to align with your brand vision. Remember to click Publish or Save Draft frequently to preserve your progress, ensuring no changes are lost. Many themes recommend specific plugins for full functionality. Install these as prompted. If your theme offers demo content, importing it can jumpstart your site's design, providing a solid foundation. Don't forget to configure your navigation menus and sidebar widgets to guide visitors effectively. Finally, review your permalink structure under Settings to ensure your URLs are search engine friendly, a crucial step for visibility. Before any major changes, always create a full backup of your website. This is a critical safety net. After updates or modifications, clear your website's cache to see the latest changes instantly. For custom code, always use a child theme to protect your modifications during theme updates. If you encounter issues, consult your theme's comprehensive documentation or reach out to their dedicated support team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.